Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Nathaniel Child and I am a nature and landscape photographer living in Maine. Maine is a pretty amazing place to be a nature photographer. It has millions of acres of forest, thousands of lakes, and some of the most beautiful coastline on the East Coast, in my opinion. Maine is also a wildlife lover's dream. It has interesting mammals like bears, moose, and lynx, and has birds like peregrine falcons and puffins. Ever since moving to Maine 4 years ago, I've been doing a lot of exploring and landscape photography, but I haven't been doing as much wildlife photography as I would like. And honestly, I kind of miss it. So on March 15th, I will be beginning a one-year challenge to photograph as many of Maine's 300 species of resident birds as I can. So some of you may be wondering why I chose a date like March 15th instead of January 1st like most people do when they start a challenge like this. March is about when spring migration begins here in Maine. So pretty soon we're gonna have all the southern migrants moving in, and then the northern migrants will be moving out to head back to their breeding grounds. So I feel like it's a pretty good time to start a bird photography challenge. The rules are simple. Find a bird and photograph it. My goal is to get high-quality images of every bird that I see, but anybody that's ever tried wildlife photography knows that birds, especially, are masters at flying away as soon as you get your camera set up. So this is definitely going to be a challenge. I will also be following the Nature First principles for ethical photography, which basically means I'm going to put the well-being of the birds and the habitat above my desire to get good pictures, which could mean I end up walking away with nothing. But it's worth it to keep the birds and the habitat safe. So lastly, I will be filming videos and posting them on YouTube, documenting my entire process. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with everything that's going on in the quest. And also head over to my website and Instagram, where I'm going to be posting even more updates and pictures as the year goes on. I'm really looking forward to seeing where this journey is going to take me, and I hope you all enjoy following along with me. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in episode 1 of The Journey to 300, the Great Maine Bird Quest.